Hi all, in this video you will see how we can use on ChatGPT to analyze a particular Excel file. So we are going to look at how to use the ChatGPT free version to accept Excel file and how we can leverage that particular option to create some Power BI reports or like create some DAX. So I have this particular Excel file and in the Hi, I'm a data analyst specializing in Power BI, Power Automate, both in cloud and desktop version, and also I know a little bit on Power Apps. So learning from the online community has been incredibly valuable, but sometimes finding the right solution can be challenging. That's why I love to share what I learned for free, and your support means a lot for me. And please comment, like, or subscribe to my channel. Together we can share and learn and grow. In the free version, if you look at it, it's ChatGPT 3.5. So I by default I don't have an option to upload an Excel file. So what I've done is I've gone to the um, Chrome store and I have I'll just search for ChatGPT file upload extended. So I already installed this particular extension. So once we do that one, you can see an option here for the user to upload the Excel file. So once you upload this particular Excel file, so it will run this for a while. So it will just keep loading, and please be aware, like for small files, it will work fine. But if you have like multiple sheets, then your limit per hour will exceed. So it happened to me for another file. So be aware of that one. So it's best to like have small files and use this and see. So it kind of loads everything. Then once it finishes the load, you can see here it's informing us I have finished reviewing the document. I'm ready to assist you with your query. So what it is doing is it's scanning all the data, then it is ready with that information. Then I did ask like in Power BI, how will you model this data? So it gave like very good, very basic information about some data transformation and how to like what kind of a relationship that I can create. It's not extensive, but again, it will give you some idea, and it's also suggesting like what kind of data modeling. So you can further like prompt more information and work with it. Then I did ask something very interesting, like what kind of analysis can be done using this data in Power BI. So this is very useful because it kind of segregates the different kind of analysis based on the data. So by default, like mostly we'll do this one, even geospatial. Trend is one thing, and the customer segmentation is very important because obviously customers are important, so that's very good. And inventory analysis, profitability, and the cost. So it's actually very useful because if you're stuck not knowing like what kind of analysis can be done, then this is a very good tool that will give some idea on how we can take it further. So customer behavior analysis is very good because you can analyze the customer churn and retention rates. Then I did ask like what kind of measure can you write for point one? So point one would be, yeah, sales performance analysis. Then it wrote the DAX measure, so it's very useful. And in your model, if you are going to use these table names and column names, then you can just click on copy code and use it in your Power BI desktop to create those measures and create your reports. So it's a very good start, and I think like it's very useful to guide someone. Again, word of caution, like don't completely rely on this and copy all the codes. Try to understand like what is this doing, what does this particular formula do. So you can also ask ChatGPT like what does summarize do. So it's again like you can use ChatGPT as a coach, so it will coach you. Again, you will have to like obviously learn what these formulas do and trial it. So I think it's a very good start. Hope this particular video is very useful for you. Thank you.